Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Office Bloke Daz.
I'm Office Bloke Mike.
I'm Office Bloke Max.
Max covering Dave again. Same what
Indeed.
you were doing the other day when I came in the office, just two of you.
Yeah.
You were kind of covering him
What was he covering him? That's what I'm worried about.
in cream. Smearing him's probably the right word, not covering. Smearing.
I thought you do that every month for a 2-month checkup.
Is that what it is? Oh, you fell for it, did you?
Oh. Brilliant.
Did he shave you back as well?
It's already shaved.
Or he didn't give it the once over?
No.
Oh, okay. That's his method to sort of like
Glaze it on.
push you forward a little bit and sort of like, so he rubs it in.
Yeah, he's put it into my contract. I've got to do that every single month.
And then you play prison games.
Hey, the prison... Don't speak about the prison.
That's not the only place he's put it in either. I'll wager.
Anyway, we move on. We think Dave's on holiday.
I hope
His
he is, mate.
contract. Yeah, first time I've heard it called that anyway. Anyway.
Yeah, let's get
Not
back
too
into
early in the video, that is it?
No.
It's like double entendre.
Let's get back into the police video seriousness. This is a pretty serious one. This with the title: "Moments after executing his three sons." Who does
Wow,
that?
hideous.
I know, right?
Some pretty despicable
Disturbed.
people.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's get into
unbelievable.
it. Let's see what it's about.
2022, a dispatch center received a call from an extremely anxious woman about a domestic shooting.
911, where's your emergency?
There's a girl running down the street saying that her stepfather is killing everyone in her family. It's on the corner of where there's a body shop and the fire department. Do you know what road this is?
Okay, what's your name?
She ran to the fire department.
What's your name?
Do you know what road this is? Laura Lendell Road.
Said what?
It's Laura Lendell Road.
Okay, and what did the female say to you?
And she says that her stepfather is killing everybody in her house. I did. I'm on the phone with them right now.
Did she say how or what was happening?
I asked her to get in the car with me, and she said she couldn't leave her family. But I think she ran to the fire department.
So she went to the fire station. What did she look like?
She's probably a young teenager, probably like 16 maybe, with long blonde hair. And she has a black dog.
Did she say anything about a baby?
I don't know about no baby. She said she just couldn't leave her family. But I see a car running around. I'm sorry?
Do you see anything from the house?
So I drove down the road a little bit, so I was afraid that I was going to get shot myself since I interacted with her face to face. So I'm just about maybe 3 houses down.
Still a
but
bit
she's
close.
like waiting at the
very
corner. I don't know what she's doing, but I kind of still see her in the corner. But I saw a car kind of came around and whipped around, so I'm not exactly sure if that's him or
What kind
if
of
he's
vehicle was
chasing her or not. I'm sorry?
it? What kind of vehicle was it?
I saw it. It was like a gray.
Where's he at?
The shooter's on the porch.
Get him right here. Right here. You got him on the porch.
We've
Right here.
asked, that's the last place we've been told.
You
that
show
he's
me
on
your
the
hands
porch.
now! Stand up and walk towards us! Stand up now! Walk towards us! Stand up with your hands up!
We got a visual in the mail. Not showing his hands, not following commands.
You see him?
Stand
I
up
can't see him.
now!
Still not showing hands or calling.
I guess he's sort of like behind that trailer, caravan sort of thing.
His name is Chad Dorman. Chad Dorman.
I know, but we can't
If you're going to need first aid and he's not complying, and you know he's a shooter, shoot him.
We gotta find cover first. We ain't no good if we ain't safe ourselves.
Tell you what, rough job in it.
Tense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'd think they'd send more. Oh, yeah.
Guess who's closest to it, sort of thing.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
true.
It's first,
This is your job.
first on scene, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sort of thing.
Putting your life on the line and everything. It's
But the way he just walks off there, like, we got to go, and he just sort of like went,
Yeah.
you know, straight into the. You
Yeah.
don't know if the guy's got a
Yeah.
shooter or anything, do you?
Wow.
Well, obviously he has, because he's.
well, they have.
Yeah.
By the
so
sound of
he's
it, yeah.
shooting the kids or something.
Yeah,
Did he
absolutely.
say shooting or did he say killing?
I
think she said
woman,
killing, didn't she?
The woman said, "Oh yeah, killing," but she said, "I don't want to get shot as well."
Right,
So I
okay.
think it might be that.
Yeah.
Hey, no. We need to come from this side where we can see them. Don't take cover behind her. We see them. We're going to approach from this side. We got cover. Right here.
6 rubber, 29 and 63 attack on.
Show us your fucking hands now! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up now! Stand up! Stand up!
EMS is safe and air clear is going to go ahead and fly whenever any units can advise.
Get your hands out here. Number 21. It's in the air.
Those guys can confirm that there's people that need first aid, and that's the shooter who's not complying. They need to take care of the
I got it.
victims. They have to shoot him and shoot him.
Man, I ain't trying to hurt nobody. I'm completely sober. Never did drugs.
Did you hear what they're saying on the radio then?
No.
I think he said like they got him under what's and he said if the shooter doesn't comply, shoot him. I thought he said.
Yeah.
How does this go back? How come the back hour's not working? Let's go back a little bit on here and listen to this. Just listen to the radio in the background.
And fly whenever any units can advise.
Get your hands out here. Number 21. It's in the air.
Those guys can confirm that there's people that need first aid, and that's the shooter who's not complying. They need to take care of the
I got it.
victims. They have to shoot him and shoot him.
Man, I ain't trying to hurt nobody. I'm completely sober. Never did drugs. 63, we're 21. Get the EMS over here. Well, I did drugs when I was little, but I don't do drugs now. I'm sober. I'm not trying to fight you. 63. Get your butt inside. Gatlin, get your butt inside. We on primary? Now. What are you doing, man?
Hey, are you copying all this?
Can I roll over? I ain't gonna hurt you. I ain't gonna hurt nobody. You got anything on you? No, I ain't got nothing, man. Phone, that's it. I ain't mad. I ain't nothing. Just make sure that dog don't come out. I don't think he'll bite you. Just don't reach for him and try to grab him and pet him. All right. He won't bite you. What's going on, man? Nothing. Can I stand up? It's kind of uncomfortable. I'm gonna get you here in a second. I ain't running away. You can do whatever you want with me. Here. You the only one else inside the house? What? You the only one else inside the house? Yeah. Sit down right here. My daughter, she ran over to the fire department. Sit down. It's my stepdaughter. Put him in the cage. Just a little. What else do you need?
Yeah, the rope and main saw was easy.
34%.
Hold on.
And just kind of face that window on your right there for a minute. Just face it.
What's your name?
Chad.
Chad. What's your last name?
Gorman.
Gorman?
Dorman.
Dorman. Have you ever been here before?
I think one time for fighting my dad.
Don't be doing that, man. Don't be beating your head on the wall, okay?
No.
Oh, actually, it's good here. Do you have any weapons or drugs on you?
No.
Anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, or hurt me?
No.
Okay. Put your hands up there. Do a pat down and get everything out of your pockets. You want to take this cuff off, put your hand up here, palm down, okay? Same with this one. End of the counter down here, we're going to hang a left.
You guys are dressing him out now?
Yeah. You're fine. You can put your hands down to your side. Phone call. Once we get done with the process and they're finished with you, yes, we'll let you make a phone call. Hold on a second. There's jeans in there. And take your boxers off. Hold your hands up in the air. You see in the mouth. Lift your tongue. Take one finger, go around your gum line, top and bottom, please. All right, let me see behind your ears. All right, all right, lift your penis. Lift your testicles. All right, turn around. See the bottom of your left foot. Wiggle your toes. All right, your left foot now. All right, face this wall. Squat down like a baseball catcher and cough hard 3 times.
What did I say?
I don't know, but I saw you doing this the other day with Dave.
Exactly the same.
Cough 3 times.
I thought I said this video had been watched.
Yeah, cough 3 times, he said. He's cupping his...
North 448.
Probably tomorrow. They'll probably talk to you at some point tomorrow, would be my guess. And then we'll go from there, okay? Step out here.
Weird one, this.
Let's step up on that sled. Alright, you step off towards me.
It's like an X-ray machine.
Must be, mustn't it? Yeah.
All of the 3 boys unfortunately passed away.
No, man.
Durman was charged with 3 counts of premeditated aggravated murder and is being held on a $20 million bond.
In Fort Worth, Texas.
Wow.
That was that's just what an ridiculous outcome.
I can't believe how calm the entire thing was. Like afterwards,
he just weird the way he just wasn't. He just sat there.
It must be shock.
Yeah.
Surely. Like,
Do you think that's what it is?
Yeah, just completely frozen. Because I saw on the time from the crime scene to when he got his fingerprints done, it's 5 hours. So for 5 hours, it was just completely calm.
Yeah.
Which is either psychopathic or he's just not processed what he's done.
Yeah.
Like, something obviously must have just snapped inside him to make him do it. But I mean, what would make you do something like that? I mean,
I've 3 very young children there.
Yeah.
They only looked like early years, didn't they? Like four between 4 and 8 maybe.
I'm guessing. Well, I don't know the reason. Maybe the mother's sort of like left him or something, or
He was the stepfather.
I don't know what I mean. It's
the entire conversation's weird. Just like, oh yeah, just don't go to the doggy, won't bite. What?
I know.
You just shot 3 kids. What do you mean?
That's just like, I don't know.
That's absolutely horrendous.
It is, isn't it?
Especially when there's kids involved.
I hate seeing kids upset. Let alone anything else. It's I was on a conversation with a mate yesterday, and about somebody he knows whose child's really, really poorly, and I was like, man, it's like he just took the wind out of everything. It takes the wind out of everything. When you see kids lose their life like that for no apparent reason, probably just having fun in the garden, pissing off with something.
Aren't they? Kids
they don't know.
Got nothing to do with anyone, have they? So leave them out of it, sort of thing. If you've got a problem about something, then you know. But leave the kids out.
Take your own life if that's the case. You know what I mean?
And leave the sort of things that you know people have a go at the police, but I mean this is the sort of thing that they've got to deal with. You can imagine going there, being on the scene, and paramedics and everything, and finding that as well.
Bad.
You know, it's absolutely terrible. Yeah. Absolutely hideous.
He's going to spend a lot of time to reflect on what he's done.
We will do.
Maybe the rest of it. Well,
the rest of it, absolutely without a doubt. Unless there's a death penalty in the state where he is. You know,
bad.
Anyway, terrible.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.